Hi, my name is Denise. Today I will be talking about our solar system and I will be sharing some fun facts about it. So I hope you enjoy. Hi, so I'm going to start with the sun. The sun accounts for 99% of the mass in our solar system because it's that big. And it is made up of 3/4 hydrogen. And at least 1 million Earths fit in our sun, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. The sun is also almost a perfect sphere, so it's just off by a little bit. And it takes 8 minutes for light to reach the Earth from the sun. So in less than 10 minutes, the light from our sun will reach the Earth. So it's pretty quick. And the sun is the most powerful magnetic field. Talk about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and the surface is very similar to the moon. It's a rocky surface and it has a lot of craters. The temperature in Mercury is 400 degrees. It is very, very hot since it's close to the sun, so it's 400 degrees Celsius. The Mercury also doesn't have an atmosphere, so because of that, it doesn't have weather, it doesn't have wind. There's also no water or air on the surface of Mercury, but there's a chance that it could be underneath. So it's pretty interesting. So next is Venus. Venus has an atmosphere that is made up of carbon dioxide. It is smaller than Earth, and it's got no liquid water. Venus also doesn't have any moons or rings. And 1 year in Venus is 225 Earth days instead of 365. So now I'm going to talk to you guys about Earth. Earth, 70% of its surface is water. And Earth's rotation, it's starting to slow down. But Earth, it does have an ozone layer that makes it, keeps all the harmful solar radiation out. So it's really good for us. And the first life on our Earth was started in the oceans. And the highest point in Earth is Mount Everest. Next is Mars. Mars is known as the red planet because it's covered in rust-like dust. And it has many massive volcanoes, including one of the biggest ones in our solar system. It has a very thin atmosphere, so it's not thick enough to trap heat in. So that's why the weather there is really cold. Mars has the weakest gravity, and it actually has plains, channels, and canyons on the surface. So next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has the clouds of deadly poisonous gas that surrounds it. It's also got a very strong magnetic field, and it has many moons that circle around it, which 4 of them are actually bigger than Pluto. So next is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet, so it's another gas giant. It is surrounded by rings that are made up of ice crystals, so they're actually really beautiful. Saturn is super lightweight because it's made up of hydrogen more than it is made up of helium, so it's less dense. And Saturn also has many moons. So next is Uranus. Uranus spins lying on its side. It is the first planet that was discovered by a telescope. And it is known as an ice giant planet. Uranus can hit some of the coldest temperatures of any planet. And it is 4 times the size of Earth, so it's huge. So next is Neptune. Neptune is also 4 times the size of Earth. It has the most violent weather, and it's the windiest planet. It is covered in white clouds that stretch out around the planet, and it's a large water planet with a blue atmosphere, so it's very pretty. And last but not least, some fun facts about Pluto. Pluto is the smallest and furthest planet from the Sun. It is not even recognized as a planet officially. It is known as the dwarf planet. It's so far from the Sun, so it's extremely cold there. It is made up of rock with a coating of ice, so it's freezing. Its atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and methane. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.